Ate dito, please stop pulling the kinaya ng iba. Bakit ikaw hindi? Card to me. Not everybody has the same privilege, situation, and mental stability. No one can function like anyone. Porket kinaya mo ay dapat ako rin. Isip mo ba, pag pumunta tayo doon sa gusto mong mangyari, like hindi mo kayanin, ano sa tingin mo yung mangyayari sa'yo? Kinaya, now what? Are you going to blame other people aside from yourself? Are you going to blame circumstances? Are you going to blame malas or suerte? Are you going to blame the government? Are you going to blame everyone except yourself? Dahil ikaw yung gumusto na hindi mo kayanin. Ngayong lahat ng tao nasa paligid mo, chini-cheer ka. You just tried to view it on a negative perspective. Don't feel bad if other people are setting an example kung paano umalis doon sa sitwasyon mo. Maybe pwede silang makatulong by finding a common ground doon sa pinagdadaanan nyo. People with these kinds of experience typically keep on pushing people who are trying to help them by actually making them be better than themselves. Bakit nila ginagawa yon? For one, yung pagkakaroon ng inferiority complex sa kanila, which is nagiging beneficial sa kanila yung maging mahina. Well, how? Usually, yung pagiging mahina nila, ginagamit nila para alagaan sila ng ibang tao. Maging fragile sila sa ibang tao para hindi sila ma-expose doon sa totoong mundo. So, yun yung ginagamit nila para manatili na inaaruga ng mga taong nakalagpas doon sa pinagdadaanan nila. The cycle continues on and on and on hanggang sa magsawa na lang or sumuko yung taong tumutulong sa kanila. Because if they keep on embracing that kind of mindset, the victim mentality mindset, the inferiority complex mindset, hindi aalis ang tao sa kalagayan nila kung nagbe-benefit sila doon sa kalagayan nila, which is yung pagiging mahina nila. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.